This is Crenshaw Boulevard. The very first place we ate on our recent visit to California was Huf'S Hut on Crenshaw Boulevard in Torrance. It's a real classic American diner with a little bit of history going on inside there. I really love the outdoor-indoor settings when you eat on the foyer. Yes, their menu is classic American flair. Great breakfast items, and of course, we loved their delicious offerings. You have omelets and you have other really good breakfast items as well as fresh fruit to boot. On your next visit to California, if you're in the Crenshaw area in Torrance or anywhere abouts there, remember to visit Huf'S Hut. It's a very, very nice place. And tell them Yardie Belly recommended it.